Question 18. For any natural number n, let a n be the largest integer not exceeding square root of n. Then the value of a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to a50 they are asking. So what does it mean? a1 is equal to square root of 1, which is equal to 1. So will be the case with a2. So will be the case with a3. So a1, a2 and a3 will be equal to 1. From a4 onwards it's going to be 2, right? Because square root of 2 is going to be 1.4 something, and the largest integer not exceeding square root of 2 is going to be 1. Same is the case with a3. So this entire sum is equal to 3. From a4 to 4 is what? A perfect square. So up to next perfect square, that is 9 is a 9. The square root of 9 is going to be 3. So a number before that 8. For this entire, each value is equal to how much? It's equal to 2. And so the sum is equal to 2 into, there are how many numbers? 5 numbers, right? So this is equal to 10. Then we have from a9 to a next perfect square is 16. So up to 15. And each value is going to be equal to 3, and the sum is equal to 3 into how many are there? 7, which is equal to 21. Then from a16 to a24, each value is going to be 4, and the sum is equal to 4 into how many we have? 8, 9. So 36. Then a25 to a35, we have 11 numbers. Each value is going to be 5, and we have 11 numbers, so sum is equal to 55. Then from a36 to a48, each value will be 6. And the sum over here is equal to 6 into 13, which is equal to 78. Then a49 to a50, each value is going to be 7, and the sum is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14. And if you add them all, 3 plus 10, 13, 13, 21, 13, so it will be 34, 34, 64, 70, 70, then 135, 135, then 78, and then 14. So it's going to be how much? 12, 17, 7, 1, 2, 2. 227 is the answer. Did I make mistake? 13, 33, 34, 34, 64, 70, 70, 125. It should be 125. Yeah, this is 125. 70 plus 55 is 125. So the answer has to be 217. Yes, the answer is 217.